Hi, in today's video we'll talk about how to get money off of Poshmark. Watch until the end of the video to learn all you need to know. Poshmark is a convenient site where you can get paid for selling your old clothes, accessories, and shoes. To get this extra cash, you must wait 3 days after the sale to request a payout. Here's how to do it. Via the website. Go to Poshmark.com, the link is in the description. Log in with your account details and click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the homepage. Go to Order Activity, then select My Balance. Tap the Redeemable button and choose your desired transfer method: direct deposit, PayPal, Venmo, check, or instant transfer. Withdraw funds via the Poshmark app. Use the same process as on the website. Note that depending on the method you choose, fees may apply. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you'll get your money off of Poshmark. Thanks for watching till next time.